And so this is for what we've gotten. So I'll put that into my calculator, and the answer that I get is 1520. And at this moment I'll have to use the space tool, and for R that's 4 times K1, which is 1,2, H squared, which is that 1,95 squared, divided by 0,01. And so the value that you get for that is 433,2. Okay, so I'm going to take out my nomograph now. So I'll write that at the top. The value that you got for the left hand side was 1520, and the volume or value that you got for the right hand side is 433,2. So now you take out your nomograph, which looks like this, and so you'll see that if I hold it up like this, you'll see that you've got a couple of different values on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So for the left hand side, we got as an answer this value over here, this 1520, which sit about there, and on the right hand side 433,2. So that's over there. So what you'll do now is you'll draw a straight line from the left hand side to the right hand side. So it's from this point to that point. I don't have a ruler, so I'll just put my pen down like that. And you look at where this line crosses the depth of 0,75, which is at this point. So if you were to draw a straight line from 433 all the way through to 1520, you'd cross at this point. So you can see a lot of different values at the moment on here, and these values, maybe I should hold it more like this. Right, so you can see all of these values, and all of these values on this in this line represents your D value that you read from that picture. So that's that value, that's 0,75. And wherever this line that you drew across from your left hand side to the right hand side, wherever that value intercepts this this line, that's where your line spacing is. So I said that that was the line where it intercepted, and so you can see the value 40 being displayed. So that means that your line spacing or your drainage spacing L would then be 40 meters. And so that is how you calculate the spacing of your drains.